Everyone has an excuse. Low academic percentage, not sure about GRE, scared about GMAT, IELTS, TOEFL, financial issues, backlogs, age factors. Which is yours? Wait, you know about it. None of these things matters when it comes to studying in Italy. If you are low academic percent, still you can get admission in Italian top prestigious universities, especially public universities of Italy. Like if you think like I have a score more than 70%, so you can apply for English taught program for your masters or bachelor. If in case you think that my percentage in between 60 to 70%, so in that case also you can apply in English taught programs as well as Italian taught program. If in case if you are below 60%, in this case also you can apply for Italian taught program because there is a seats which are available for international students, those who want to study from their prestigious university in Italian taught program. So for which you have to prepare for Italian language, and definitely if you have good scores, so you can apply for Italian taught program if you also have less than 60%, and there is a chance, definitely there is a chance you can get admission in Italian universities for sure. And what about GMAT and GRE scores? So most of the universities don't ask for GMAT or GRE score. Almost I can say 95% ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटीज ऐसी है इटली की जिसमें आपको जीमेट और जीआरई के बिना ही एडमिशन की पॉसिबिलिटीज है, राइट। वही यदि हम बात करते हैं तो बहुत ही कुछ स्पेसिफिक यूनिवर्सिटीज है जहां पे जीमेट और जीआरई के स्कोर पे आपका एडमिशन होता है, बट देयर इज 99% चांस विदाउट जीमेट और जीआरई स्कोर, यदि आपकी एकेडमिक प्रोफाइल स्ट्रांग है, यदि आपके पास गुड आइल्स स्कोर है, यदि आपके एकेडमिक परसेंटेज काफी अच्छे है, आपका मोटिवेशन काफी क्लियर है, सो देयर विल बी मैक्सिमम चांसेस विदाउट जीमेट और जीआरई। बट जिस हिसाब से इटली में इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स का क्राउड बढ़ता जा रहा है पिछले 2 से 3 सालों से, सो उसको देखकर ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो यूनिवर्सिटीज की एडमिशन कमेटी है, हायर एजुकेशन अथॉरिटीज है, वो आने वाले दिनों में एडमिशन रिक्वायरमेंट चेंज करेगी जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स आर अट्रैक्टिंग टूवर्ड्स इटली, इटालियन यूनिवर्सिटीज के लिए। सो बट ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि वहां पे जीमेट और जीआरई की फ्यूचर में रिक्वायरमेंट्स हो सकती है, हाईली कॉम्पिटिटिव हो सकता है। That's the reason I always recommend to the students grab an opportunity as early as possible. जितने जल्दी आप अपना एडमिशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करोगे उतने ज्यादा आपका इजी होगा इटालियन यूनिवर्सिटीज में एडमिशन लेने के लिए। एंड बट ऑब्वियस ही बात है कि आपको इटली में जितनी भी पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी है वहां पे आपको चांसेस है कि आप 100% स्कॉलरशिप बेस्ड एडमिशन ले सकते। इटालियन यूनिवर्सिटीज डोंट केयर अबाउट योर बैकलॉग्स इधर, ओनली दे नीड योर डिग्री शुड बी कंप्लीटेड। ऐसा नहीं होता कि लाइक आपको प्रीवियसली कोई सेमेस्टर्स में बैक लग गया है तो वो आपको इम्पैक्ट करेगा आपके एकेडमिक प्रोफाइल में, दे डोंट केयर अबाउट दैट। ओवरऑल दे नीड आपके एक अच्छे जीपी हो, अच्छे परसेंटेज हो, एंड योर डिग्री शुड बी कंप्लीटेड एट अ टाइम, राइट। सो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फोकस कि आपको यदि बैकलॉग्स लगा भी है सो नेक्स्ट टाइम आप उसको रीअटेम्प्ट करें, कोशिश करें कि आप उसको फिर से अच्छे से रीअटेम्प्ट करके अच्छे जीपीए में कन्वर्ट कर पाए, and overall your academic percentage should be very very good, right? So definitely there is a chance without backlogs you can get admission. Lastly, what is the maximum age limit that you can apply in Italian universities? So as such ऐसी कोई age limit नहीं है fixed, but your degree should be completed, right? And you have to score good marks, good percentage in GPA. You have to focus on that. Italian education system is developed in such a way that इसमें एज फैक्टर डिपेंड नहीं करते, इट्स टोटली बेस्ड ऑन योर एकेडमिक्स, योर एक्सपीरियंस, योर नॉलेज। सो डोंट वरी अबाउट योर एज फैक्टर। इफ यू हैव एनी एकेडमिक गैप सो यू कैन जस्टिफाई इट बाय मेंशनिंग योर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, इंटर्नशिप्स और एनी प्रोजेक्ट्स और असाइनमेंट, सो इन विच you can make your academic profile very very strong, and on the basis of this profile definitely you can get 100% admission possibility in public universities. What about expenses? So most of the students are worried about only this thing. So let me tell you, study in Italy as a free education in Italy. Almost all the public funded universities provide you 100% scholarship as admission, and you will be surprised to know that your university tuition fees will be completely waived. You will get stipend. It can be up to 5 to 6 lakh rupees per annum just for your living expenses, including your accommodation and food expenses also. Also, you can do part-time job. It's totally up to you as an international student. You can do 4 hours per day. It means 20 hours per week. And you will be surprised to know that you can earn minimum 40 to 50,000 rupees per month by doing part-time job. And it can be your pocket money just for your miscellaneous expenses. So, it is very happy moment that for all international students you have to grab an opportunity And most important part that you have always keep remember, to make your academic profile very very strong by using strong recommendation letter, strong motivation letter, strong CV. Only that there will be maximum possibilities that you can get 100% assurity in admission in top public university. So what are you waiting for, guys? You should start early, as early as possible you will apply. There will be maximum chances to get admission in top public universities with 100% scholarship based admission. So thank you so much, guys. I will create more videos on this channel for sure. If anything else you would like to more about Study Innately, just drop your comment. I will create more videos for you. Thank you so much.